Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how we can paste into multiple cells on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So let me navigate to this untitled example spreadsheet here and start by selecting the cell you would like to copy. So let us go with this one here, E7. Click into it with your left mouse, press Ctrl C to copy it, and now simply highlight the range of cells we'd like to paste your copied cell or value into. So left click into the first cell, press and hold your left mouse and highlight the range of cells, just like that. And in the final step, simply press Ctrl V to copy that cell into multiple cells at once. So that's one way how you can do it, guys. Let's assume, for example, you would like to paste that cell into multiple cells, but these may be not close to each other. So, for example, that one here, that one, and that one as well, without these cells in between. So this is how you can do it. Simply again, copy your output cell, left click into the first input cell, and now press and hold left Control on your keyboard, or Command if you're using a Mac. And while holding left Control, left click into the next cell and into another one and another one. And let me also go with this one here. Release a left Control and press Ctrl V, and that is going to paste that cell into the selected cells with these spaces or cells in between empty cells here. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.